Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the ornamental cherry trees, also known as the cultivars. Let's see why its significance and what is it all about, okay? The Japanese eagerly await the cherry blossom season every spring. The seasonal spectacle of white and pink flowers bursting across cities also draws thousands of tourists to the country. Crowds flock to popular locations to take photos and have picnics underneath the branches. The cherry blossom season is extremely important for Japan, both culturally and economically. The flowers experience a peak bloom that only lasts a few days, and it signifies the Japanese concept of mono no aware, the wistful realization that nothing lasts forever. So, let's see why is this flower given a more importance, right? The Japanese cherry generally refers to ornamental cherry trees. There are over 300 different varieties of cherry trees, also known as cultivars. Taking advantage of the mutable traits of cherry trees, many cultivars have been created for cherry blossom viewing, especially in Japan. 80% of cherry trees in Japan are the popular Somio Yoshino variety. Most flowers are shades of white or pink, but some trees bear yellow and green flowers. Cherry blossom species naturally have 5 petals. But do you know this fact? Some cultivars that have more than 100 petals per flower. Sounds exciting, right? Many cherry flowers and leaves are used as food ingredients in Japan. Sakura is the Japanese word for cherry blossom and is the country's most popular girl's name. Cherry blossom viewing celebrations date back to the 9th century when Japanese emperors held viewing parties with their courts. According to the folk, the mountain deity traveled through rice paddies on floating cherry blossom petals and nurtured the crop. In 1912, Japan gifted more than 3,000 cherry blossom trees to the United States of America as a gesture of friendship and political alliance between the two countries. They were planted along the tidal basin in Washington, D.C., which now shares the yearly blossom viewing tradition. Did you find many interesting facts? What was your lovely fact and what was the interesting fact you found? If you found anything something like that, just comment. Then, the next step you need to do is that if you like it, just give a like. And just share with your friends so that they would also know about the cherry pick facts. Right? So now, we are leaving. The next video, we will see you.